Hello everyone and welcome to Hasian Education World channel. In today's video we will use some RE functions to parse a text and search only specific words that we need. So let's get started. First we need to import the RE module. Then we will use this small text as an example. It contains words and some of them have some digits at their end. We are going to use regexes to search and find all those words that are having digits at the end. But before that, let's see in details the pattern that we will use. So this is our pattern. We'll see it in details. First we have this range or set of uppercase letter, any uppercase letter, because all our words will begin with a capital letter. After this, in the second position, we have any lowercase letter, followed by a star or asterisk, which will match 0 or more of the preceding RE. The preceding RE is any lowercase letter. So we will have 0 or more. So any number of lowercase letters following the first capital letter will be matched. But we want only to search for words which are having some digits at their end. So we will have to add this \d, which will match any digit, and followed by plus sign, which means that this will match one or more of the preceding RE. This time the preceding RE is any digit, so we will have one or more because we need at least one digit, so we will use the plus sign instead of the asterisk sign. Now let's start using RE functions to match these words. We will start with the first function, which is match function. So the syntax is having 3 arguments. Okay, the first one is the pattern. The second is the string, which is text. You see here, the variable name of our string is text, so we will use it as a second argument. And we have a third argument, which we are not using in this example, which is the flag, and we have seen some examples of using it in the previous video for compiling regular expressions. You can go back to this video and see some examples of the flag. So let's execute this match function and see the result. And here we see the result is none, which means that there was no matching, because the match function will match the pattern only if it is at the beginning of the string. So you see here the beginning of our string, there is no word with a digit at the end, so this function will not match anything and will return none. So let's try something. We will modify our example and we add some digit, for example 11, to the first, to the beginning of our string, and execute again our code. And now there is one object, a match object, and the pattern is matched at the position 06, and the match is word 11. You see, this match function matches the pattern only if it is at the beginning of the string. So let's remove this digit and see another function, the search function. We will keep the same arguments because the search function having the same syntax as the match function. So let's see the difference between these two functions. Let's execute our code, and you see there is a matching object at position 22 to 29, which is this one, table 02. You see here, table 02. So the difference between the search and the match function is that search function will match the pattern at any location in the text. Not necessarily at the beginning, but anywhere in the text. Also, and this is important to note because we are going to see another function which is also different. The search function will match the pattern only once, one time, only in the execution of the code. So it will match only the first occurrence of the pattern. In this case, it's table 02. It will not match the other words ending with digits. So if we want to match all the words which are having digits at their end, we will have to use another function called findall. It also has the same arguments and the same syntax as the previous functions. And if we execute this code, this time we have an output which is a list containing all the words matched using our pattern. You see here, table 02, Washington 30, Warrior 33, and so on. That's the end of this video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. And if it's the case, please like the video and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And hit the bell icon to receive notifications about the new videos in Hazian Education World channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.